Do you need to create a wireless bridge in an industrial network? HMS has a solution which allows you to do just that. This is why we call it the Anybus Wireless Bridge. This second generation of the wireless bridge allows you to create an industrial-grade wireless connection via Bluetooth or wireless LAN. You can create a connection up to 400 meters, making it very useful for hard-to-reach locations or whenever cables are not desirable. But there is a lot more to it than that. You can use it as an access point connecting up to 7 different slaves. This can include other wireless devices using wireless LAN or Bluetooth, such as smartphones or PLCs. Or why not a machine which uses the Anybus Wireless Bolt? The bolt and the bridge work seamlessly together. You can create a wireless connection within most industrial Ethernet networks based on TCP/IP. These include, for example, Ethernet IP, BACnet IP, Modbus TCP, and Profinet I/O, including ProfiSafe. HMS also offers Anybus Wireless Bridge for serial communication and the Ixod CAN Blue for wireless CAN communication. With the Anybus Wireless Bridge, you can choose between wireless LAN or Bluetooth, depending on what suits your environment best. The same hardware supports both standards. Shortly put, Bluetooth gives you a more reliable wireless connection, while wireless LAN gives you a higher data throughput. Setting up the Anybus Wireless Bridge is really easy. You connect the network and power cables with M12 connectors and then configure it via a push button. This means that you have a wireless connection up and running within a matter of minutes. If you want to configure more details, you can go into the web-based configuration manager, which is included in the product. So if you need to establish a robust and reliable wireless connection for industrial purposes, the Anybus Wireless Bridge will get you connected quickly and easily.